Kwasiapanin a wodu afu nenam. Omanhene Kwabena Asante elder fake Obi elder Pentecost elder we fake I want to mean kind of credit because of sika we GDNT. Ma bet no be defending Kwasi same way. Ya min tuatu mu ni na aka mako.
Mame ma wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame me adwowa search name. Ebusuafo Felix appear political zone ekasadema NPP amayoko nende we hwie na bufu e de agu Omanhene ya Omanhene Asante of Asempa FM Adum TV oni obi omo agibia nya asempe to akra Felix apia ke kana dwen de akyere do a o kye so ye hypocrite sami jamfi eso omo afo moment no se hu no mudi na sa asemi a wotena ha wo defend sami jamfi no ase kire se na busuan fans na mde nsema Felix apia aka ebebro. Seriously, when I saw the video I was shocked. Me hu Omanhene ni video defending sami jamfi na I was shocked. Just say journalists phone be na Ghana phone be don't see any wrong with what Sami Jamfi did. Okay, who anything wrong with what Sami Jamfi did there, and who are we to say the Sami Jamfi no wrong. Yet to chrome here na Sami Jamfi team kotena radio TV so e can send me in propaganda. Say the Sami Jamfi ebe hanhane ni akasa no as if say Sami Jamfi ejina ho ene nipa no na o ya ade no enso na Sami boa biko ni nyina ne say omo pese omo ba power ebe di tumi no se ne be ya ombetimi abebu amembu no ma be ya di omo ye na Ghana ha no unim kasa omo se unim nyansa mitie nkrofo bi omo se e ofele so fuzu kwa chimo okuja tabla kwa mo very intelligent guys. If you know how to do propaganda, if you know how to lie, does it mean so unim nyansa? Ghana politics na yen hye da ehu so unim kasa gbegbegbe na chese omo ema opposition bi na u control Ghana na sese politicians omo dida ye institution ne mia no e de no omo ye wo Ghana ha Sami Jamfi timi egu nipa ho fi nkrofo reputation wetimi akotena kemu chese sika na Sami Jamfi kan no chese eye boni na mo mpese mo be kan na say still na mo dia de mo dia say de Sami Jamfi ye no mo hu boni bi ewo wetimi gina wanamu ache almost be 25,000 Ghana cedis de ache nipa ba kope 25,000 Ghana cedis because Sami Jamfi dollars no kan near dollars kitwa inye $800 $600 $700 $900 more than $200 na Sami Jamfi de ma agrada do converted by Ghana cedis in dem pono kwa bonti dollar be 13 Fabra 13 cedis na hwesika minutes seconds wait ni ache sai sike na the camera en koso awde men krofo no na Sami Jamfi ye ka say you don't work or you work you own companies inti adwuma be na obetimi aya inti Ghana ha de wiase aye de nipa ho kire omo ye nti ebi ntumi into school fees ye hu ye left from ye right utumi che nipa ba ko be 25,000 Ghana cedis a day na ye ko campus you don't see anything wrong with it an honest guy an honest guy Sami Jamfi so ya offer flight no on space can go me yes be so an honest guy Sami Jamfi kura position a sensitive one for that matter. That is why some of us we are talking. It's not because Sami Jamfi says cannot the chair. No. Of course, if you in the politics, man, they have more than that. But the can say Sami Jamfi, abrochi baby by this time can resign. If politics me cry, you can come do my yaso. Felix appear can I do the actual Omanhene. Yentis in the seminar. They see a coin.
It is steady. And so they will go to court and everything will come back to zero. Say, Omun first, kebi omun we bibia. Na ye the esteem na NPP for Jimmy Phobi, NPP for Jimmy Phobi, a woman omo de, and ya ni bitterness ye woman muntino, omo ti bibia no mo di America no mo de, come one cast omo party no mo ton omo party, say omo party. Mama money now. I mean, is to divert attention from the Sami Jamfi saga. They want Ghanaians to discuss, say, an MP before by Obian dollar. I was expecting them to say, conspiracy to steal, conspiracy to cause this, but they never said that. All they said was conspiracy. You can go and read the charges. You can go and read Dominica Uni's stupid charges. I know say, court to be prosecutors are deal with. ye be pe bibi di adwe asesan wadwene ye be pe bibi di awia wadwene ye be pe bibi di adada wo ma wadwene afiri di sese wo ka no ho mu gina oba be for it na mu NPP for dem mu dem nyimi why NPP for no yen ko so nyimi yen ye Ken ba umia sa na efe nyimi na nkrofo we enwia Ghana inside Ghana buburo in 4 years. Last week when something came and ye kan wasem almost yakochi edubu ahe bibi bana ya si ye be kan wasem si ko be almost say yakochi NPP ni ba ko we so and we akọ fie and we yakobu we dan ani diversionary tactics. What do you think they eat the 78 million for? Movies the 78 million ye de ma philosopher su kwa che kwa na ya fa ma no kwa na djuma no de ye no yento media ni na ndra na Kwasiapanin bi to say Omanhene sebe Omanhene kwabra santene sa fake elder no obi no obi fake elder obi or say bonsu fake guy Oma betina asempa defend Sami Jemfi because Sami Jemfi show money na afunu mu. There is no day as Sami Jemfi beba omo envelope, so they can't touch him. Sometimes some of us, when we walk with them, we learn and we watch. The reason why Asempa FM has to give Sami Jemfi all the grandeur and all those things, and they say every time a Sami Jemfi will be a job envelope mehuda. I've been in that studio before. That is what they do. Media men okwana de shisho mo kon aso obu adwuma bia mo boa okọ uduru wa de otwetwe yesiko obenya film. I'm telling you, that is who they are. And that is why they are not objective. That is why they are not real. This MPP NDC case, the reason why they are Jimmy Moore is because of the foolish media we have, like Omanhene Kwabena Sante. Omanhene Kwabena Sante, Cecilia Dapa case ba, and Sebi Cecilia Dapa kra wo no why Juma or woni bibi die kra no. Munche dia mode ye no asempa. The only journalist that was able to look at the Cecilia Dapa case with clear law was Paul Adumochiri. Asa and Kaifoni na ebi kura say na maame no na sebe maame ni same word into on don't come support. This is the foolishness they did. But today the same Omanhene Kwabena Sante na funu se both fruit e betina ho e defend Sami Jemfi because Kwasiapanin or Sami Jemfi go to na mo de nemu dia me de beye mo. Where your warm up. I came to warn my MPP people say omunja jimie na obi kan samwa no mu dimrika we have a case to prosecute. Your leadership at your press conference and raise very potent and serious questions. We need to push that agenda. And then we are going to leave it and go and talk about the Kumfi and the rest. While they are underground doing evil, while they are underground stealing, when is the Ghana youth going to wake up? When is the Ghana brain going to wake up? When are the right people in Ghana going to speak? Is Ghana all about? Is Ghana all about food that we eat and that's it? There is no tomorrow. Who did it? Is that what you people want to tell us? MPP for this week we have a big case on our hand. Oh yeah, Ken ni at now them. Utie. Oh yeah, Baumia ni at now them. At this particular moment, the two of them are not the important subject here, and I'm very serious about this. At this particular moment where Ghana is heading, Bawumia or Kennedy is not the important thing. Time no so na se ye kwato abana obi abeya the campaign, but for now Kennedy Bawumia obi am parking in Yamengu nchen. Let us prosecute these people. Let us make their life ungovernable. Let us make their government ungovernable like they promised and delivered. Let us also hit them hard where it hurts. The only thing MPP know how to do is to how to kill his own MPP brother. You give him NDC brother, he cannot touch NDC brother. You people don't fool this week. Ken Bawumia camp, don't fool this week. Let us focus on the problem on the ground. Sami Jemfi and John Mahama, the cabal they are forming to steal from this country. They came to power telling us that somebody was doing state capture. Today we have somebody who is not doing state capture, but has more than $100,000 by cash and yet credit cash in his car, and he has been able to pay some foolish media men to come in and lie to defend him. And as Sami Tobas a church, and as Sami ye we my and as Sami can Sami dash and Sami Jemfina they read the article and say si yehu se sika bi wo obotom na sika no adwuma a wo ye ene niam a wo ye na ntumi nsofese a eye money laundering ti ye nchew kwasia jamfini ne kan ya bodamfo na mato mu agu stupid media men edum guasefo media men kobo media men Omanhene Kwabena Sante Kwasiapanin a wudu wafu ne nam Omanhene Kwabena Sante elder fake obi elder Pentecost elder we fake a wuntumi nka no kora because of sika wuji DNT ma bet na oba be defend Kwasiasem we nyame tuatua mu ni na aka mako na me on tuatua mu ni na aka mako